All right, let me go through one example of computing these association rules with confidence at least 0.75. Yeah, it is the same example as before. We have already found frequent item sets with support at least 0.4, which means count should be 2 out of 5 and above, right? And let me use this information to generate confidence rules, right? So first, let me do k equals 1. So the case k equals 1. So when k equals 1, I have one item sets, and which means that it only makes sense to look at rules that look like empty set implies our A, B, empty set implies B, empty set implies C, and empty set implies D. E. Right, and the confidence of such a rule is the same as the support of just the so the confidence of a rule of the type empty set implies something is just the support of that something, right? So we're looking at support, and if confidence, so we want confidence to be at least 0.75, right? So this support should be at least 0.75. So here 3 will give us support of 0.6, 0.6. And for CAD, the support is 4. So the confidence, the support is of the corresponding rule, and hence the confidence of the same rule is going to be 0.8, 0.8, which is okay. So these two are not included for A and B, and for C and D, they are included. Okay, so we have done rules for one item set. So notice that the count of any set with 2 or more items is 3 or fewer, right? So it does not satisfy this threshold, which means it doesn't make sense to try considering rules of the type empty set implies something else. So we shouldn't bother from now on. We shouldn't bother considering these, right? So we will only consider this sort of proper proper association rules where both the left hand side and the right hand side are non-empty. Okay, so let me do k equals 2 now. So when k equals 2, all right, so k equals 2, we have a lot here, a lot of possibilities. So let me do them one by one. So AC. So for AC, there are 2 possible rules. So A implies C and C implies A, right? Now, the support count of AC is 3. The support count of A is 3. The support count of C is 4. So the confidence of the rule A implies C is 3 over 3. 3 over 3 is 1. And the confidence of the rule C implies A is going to be 3 over 4. So both of them satisfy the threshold. So both of them are okay. So we are going to include them. Okay, next rule is AE. AE. The AE, the support count is 2. Now, we could generate 2 rules out of it. So A implies E, and E implies A. So what is the support count of A? Is 3. The support count of E is 4. Right? So the confidence is going to be 2 over 4 here, and 2 over 3. 2 over 3 here, and 2 over 4 here. So 2/3 and 1/2, both of them are below the given threshold, and the given threshold is 3/4. So they do not satisfy the given threshold, so we do not include them. Okay, now BC. BC. So there are 2 rules possibly. B implies C and C implies B. The support count of BC is 2. The support count of B is 3. The support count of C is 4. So the confidence is 2 over 3 and 2 over 4 here. Both of them are not included. Okay, BE. So we have done AC, AE, BC. So remaining ones are BE, BE. BE, the support count is 3. So there could be two rules. B implies E and E implies B. So the support count of B is 3. The support count of E is 4, right? So the confidence is 3 over 3 is 1 here, so it is included. The confidence here is 3 over 4, which is our threshold, so it is right on the threshold, so it is also included. CE. Now CE. CE, the support count is 3. So we could generate two rules out of it. So C implies E and E implies C. Right? Now the support of C is 4. The support of E is also 4. So the confidence of both rules is 3/4. So which means they are included. Okay, cool. So this is how we do all the rules with 2 items. Now it is more interesting. It is more interesting to do rules with 3 items, right? So let me do rules with 3 items. So k equals 3. So ACE. ACE. Okay. Now the ACE, the support count is 2. Now first we are going to try all the rules with just one item on the right, right? So this item on the right can be A, can be C, and it can be E, right? So we are going to have to try 3 rules. So C, E implies A, A, E implies C, and the last one is AC implies E. So let us look at the count of the left-hand side in all the 3 cases. So the count of CE is 3. The count of AE is 2. And the count of AC is 3. All right, so the confidences are 2/3 here, 2 over 2, which is 1 here, and 2/3, 2/3 here. So 2/3 is below our threshold, which means that these 2 are out. So we don't bother about them anymore. But here the confidence is 1. So we should try exploring them further, right? So we should try the next level. So we're going to move E and A from the left-hand side to the right-hand side. So we're going to try rules A implies CE and E implies AC, right? So these rules are obtained from this rule whose confidence is sufficiently large by moving something from the left-hand side to the right-hand side. Okay, so the count of A is 3. The count of E is 4. So here the confidence is going to be 2/3. Here is 2 over 4. Both of them are below the threshold, so we do not include them. Okay, that's it for ACE. So we also have one more rule with 3 items, which is BCE. BCE. So the count is still 2. All right, so then we're going to try putting all the items on the right-hand side. So that there will be rules of the type, so implies B, so C and E imply B, then implies C, so there's going to be B and E, and implies E, so the left-hand side should be B and C, B, C. All right? Okay, cool. Now the count of CE is 3. The count of BE is 3. The count of BC is 2. So the confidence here is 2/3, 2/3, and here is 2/2 is 1. So which means that these two rules are out, and this rule is still included. Okay, since it is included, it means that we've got to try moving both B and C from the left to the right. So we've got to consider rules. C implies BE, and B implies CE. Okay, so the count of C is 4, the count of B is 3. So we have 2/4 here, and the confidence here is 2/3. So both of them are below the threshold, so we should discard them. All right, so we've got these two rules in the end with 3 items. So AE implies C and BC implies E. And this is how we manually perform this this analysis.